Good morning, student. It's me, Atul Verma, Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Today, we are going to discuss about virtual community and internet communities.
You will get insight, virtual community, virtual worlds, internet communities. Virtual community. A virtual community is a community of people sharing common interest, idea, and feeling over the internet or other collaborative network. A possible inventor of this term and one of its first proponent was Howard Ringwald, who created one of the first major internet communities called the Well. The virtual community Ringwald defined virtual community as social aggregation that emerge from the internet when enough people carry on public discussion long enough and with sufficient human feeling to form webs of personal relationship in cyberspace. Virtual community might be thought of a subgroup with Marshall McLuhan notion of cyberspace as a global village. Before the web, virtual community exists on bulletin board services (BBS), and many still do. Some virtual community or facilitators of them use the metaphor of a coffee house or something similar to help user visualize the community. In general, there are two kinds of communication among virtual community members: message posting and real-time chat. Usenet newsgroup are an example of the former. Many websites such as GeoCities foster subject information exchange for real-time chat. Internet Really Chat IRC is a system used by many websites that foster virtual community. A virtual community is a special social network of individuals who connect through a specific social media, potentially crossing geographical and political boundaries in order to pursue mutual interest or goal. Some of the most pervasive virtual communities are online communities operating under social network services. Howard Reingold discussed virtual community in this book, The Virtual Community, published in 1993. The book's discussion ranged from Reingold adventure on the well, computer mediation, communication, and social group and information science. Technologies cited include Usenet, multi-user Dungon, and their derivatives, and more. Internet really chat room, and electronic mailing list. Ringgold also point out the potential benefit for personal psychological well-being as well as for society at large of belonging to a virtual community. Virtual community all encourage interaction, sometimes focusing around a particular interest or just to communicate. Some virtual communities do both. Community members are allowed to interact over a shared passion through various means: message board, chat room, social networking, worldwide website, or virtual world. Introduction. The traditional definition of community is of geographically circumscribed entity like lab, neighborhood, village, etc. Virtual community are usually disappeared geographical and therefore are not communities under the original definition. Some online communities are linked geographically and are known as community website, where if one consider community to simple possess boundaries of some sort between their members and non-members, then a virtual community is certainly a community. Virtual community resemble real life community in the sense that they both provide support, information, friendship, and acceptance between strangers. Early researches into the existence of media based community was concerned with the nature of reality, whether community actually could exist through the media, which could place virtual community research into the social science definition of ontology. On the 17th century, a scholar associated with the Royal Society of London formed a community through the exchange of letter. Community without propinquity, coined by urban planner Melvin Webner in 1963 and community liberated, analyzed by Barry Wellman in 1979, began the modern era of thinking about non-local community. As well, Benedict Anderson imagined communities in 1983, described how different technology, such as national newspaper, contributed to the development of national and regional consequences among early nation states. Some author that built their theory on Anderson image. Virtual community are used for a variety of social and professional groups. Interaction between community members vary from personal to purely formed. For example, an email distribution list record serve as a personal means of communicating with family and friends and also formally to coordinate with coworkers. User experience testing to determine social coding. User experience is the ultimate goal of the program or software used by an internet community because user experience will determine the software's success. The software for social media pages of virtual communities to structured around the user's experience and designed especially for online use. User experience testing is utilized to reveal something about the personal experience of the human being using a product or system. When it comes to testing user experience in a software interface, three main characteristics are needed: a user who is engaged, a user who is interacting with the product or interface, and define this user experience in way that are and observable and measurable. Use experience metrics are based on a reliability and repeatability, using a consistent set of measurement to result in comparable outcome. User experience metrics are based on user retention, using a consistency set of measurement to collect data on user experience. The widespread use of the internet and virtual community by millions of diverse users of socializing is a phenomenon that raises new issues for researchers and developers. The vast number and diversity of individuals participating in virtual community worldwide makes it a challenge to test usability across platforms to ensure the best overall user experience. Some well-established measures apply to the usability framework for online community are speed of learning, productivity, user satisfaction, how much people remember using the software and how many errors they make. The human computer interaction that are measured during a usability experience. Text focus on the individuals rather than their social interaction in the online community. The success of online community depends on the integration of usability and social semiotic. Usability testing metric can be used to determine social codes by evaluating a user's habits when interacting with the program. Social codes are stabilized and reinforced by the regular repetition of behavior pattern. People communicate their social identities or culture code through the work they do, the way they talk, the clothes they wear, their eating habit, domestic environment, and passion, and use of leisure time. Usability testing metrics can be used to determine social codes by evaluating a user's habit. When interacting with the program, the information provided during a usability test can determine demographic factor and help define the semantic social code. Dialogue and social interaction support, information design, navigation support, and accessibility are integral components specific to online communities. As virtual community grow, so do the diversity of their user. However, the technology are not made to be any more or less intuitive. Usually, tests are can ensure users are communicating effectively using social and semiotic code while maintaining their social identities. Efficiency communication requires a common set of signs in the mind of those seeking to communicate. As technology evolve and mature, they tend to be used by an increasingly diverse set of users. The kind of increasing complexity and evolution of technology does not necessarily mean that the technology are become easier to use. Usability testing in virtual community can ensure users are communicating effectively through social and semantic codes and maintains of social reality and identities. Effects on health. Concern with the virtual community tends to promote less socializing include verbal aggregation and inhibition, promotion of suicide and issues with privacy. However, the study regarding the health effect of this community did not show any negative effect. There was a high dropout rate of participants in the study. The health related effects are not clear because of the lack of thoroughness and the variation in study done on the subject. Rather, recent studies have looked into development of health related community and their impact on those already suffering health issue. These forms of social network allow for open conversation between individuals who are going through similar experience, whether themselves or in their family. Such sites have no grow in popularity that now many healthcare providers from group of their patients by providing web area where one may direct questions to doctor. These sites prove especially useful when related to rare medical conditions. People with rare or debilitating disorder may not be able to access support group in their physical community. Thus, online communities act as primary means for such support. Online health communities can serve as supportive outlets as they facilitate connecting with others who truly understand that disease, as well as offer more practical support such as receiving help in adjusting to life with the disease. Involvement of social communities of similar health interesting has created a means for patients to develop a better understanding and behavior toward treatment and health practices. Patients increasingly use such outlets, but the extent to which these practices have effect on health are still being studied. On health network have mostly been conducted on groups which typically suffer the most from extreme form of disease. For example, cancer patients, HIV patients, or patients with other life-threatening disease. It is general knowledge that one participate in online community to interact with society and develop relationship. Individuals who suffer from rare or severe illness are unable to meet physical because of distance or because due to could be a risk to their health to live a secure environment. Thus, they have turned to the internet. A study conducted by the Heaven on the effect of network on children suffering from incurable disease revealed a positive correlation in enhancing children's behavior and overall moods. Their behavior and moods not only change but they are more willing to go to treatment after having this interaction. In addition to communities which focus strictly on information relating to illness and disease, there are also those which focus on specific health related conditions such as fertility issue. Some studies have indicated that virtual community can provide valuable benefit to their user. Online health focused community were showing offer a unique form of emotion support that differ from event based relative and informational support network. Growing amount of present material show how online communities affect the health of their users. Apparently, this creation of health community has a positive impact on these who are ill or in need of medical information. On civic participation, new forms of civic engagement and citizen have emerged with the rise of social networking sites. Network sites act as a medium for expression and discourage about issues in specific user communities. Online content sharing sites have made it easy for youth as well as others to not only express themselves and their ideas through digital media, but also connect with large network communities within this space. Young people are pushing the boundaries of traditional form of engagement, such as voting and joining political organizations and creating their own way to discuss, connect, and act in their communities. Civic engagement through online volunteers has some to have positive effect on personal satisfaction and development. Some 84% of online volunteers found that their online volunteering experience had contributed to their personal development and learning. The Wealth of Network from 2006, Yashi Beneker suggested that the virtual community would come to represent a new form of human communal existence, providing new scope for building a shared experience of human interaction. Although Mengler's prediction has not become entirely true, clearly communication and social relations are extremely complex within a virtual community. The two main effects that can be seen according to Binnicker are a thickening of persisting relation with friends, family, and neighbors, and the beginning of the emergence of greater scope for limited purpose loose relationship. The speech being acknowledged as loss relations and they remain meaningful. Previous concern about the effect of internet use on community and family fell into two categories. First is sustained and intimate human relation are critical to well functioning human being as a matter of psychological need. And second, people with social capital are better off than these who lack it. It lead to better result in term of political participation. However, Wenger argued that unless internet connection actually displays direct, immediate human contact, there is no basis to think that using the internet will lead to a decline in a those nourishing connection we need psychologically or on the useful connection we make socially. Wenger continued to suggest that the nature of an individual changes over time based on social practice and expectation. There is a shift from individuals who depend upon local, embedded, unmedicated, and stable social relationship to network individuals who are more dependent upon their own combination of strong and weak ties across boundaries and weave their own fluid relationship. Manuel Coster called this is the network society. In 1997, MCI Communication released the anthem advertisement, heralding the internet as a utopia without age, race, or gender. Arguing in chapter 2002 book, After Image of Anti-Gender, Technology and Anti-Politics, that technology give us iteration of our age, race, and gender in virtual space, as opposed to them being full extinguished. Nakamura uses a metaphor of after image to describe the cultural phenomenon of experience anti on the internet. The idea is that any preference of anti on the internet is simultaneously present and past tense for, for Thoman and projection due to this immortality. Dr. Sally Turkey, professor of social study of science and technology at MIT, believes the internet is a place where action of discrimination are less likely to occur. In her 1995 book, Life on the Screen Anti in the Age of Internet, he argued that the discrimination is easier in reality as it easier to identify as face value what is contrary to your norm. The internet allows for a more fluid expression of identity and thus we become more accepting of inconsistent presence with in yourself with other. For this reason, Turkey argues users existing in online space are less complete to judge or compare user self to our peers, allowing people in virtual setting an opportunity to gain a greater capacity of acknowledging disability. The term identity tourism in her 1991 article Race in for Cyberspace identity. Identity tourism in the context of cyberspace in term used to describe the phenomenon of user domain and define other race and other gender persons. Find the previous behavior of this identity internet based are exposing diffusing of the internet since the mid 1990s fostered the proliferation of virtual community in the form of social networking services and online communities. Virtual community may synthesize Web 2.0 technology with the community and therefore have been described as Community 2.0, although a strong community bond have been forged online since the early 1970s on timeshare system like Plato and later on Usenet. Online community depend upon social interaction and exchange between user online. This interaction emphasizes the reciprocity element of unwritten social contract between community members. Internet message board. An online message board is a feature where people can discuss thought or idea on various topic or simple expresses on an idea. User may choose which threads or boards of discuss they would like to read or contribute to. A user will start a discuss by making a post. Other user who choose to respond can follow of the discussions by adding their own post to that thread at any time. Unlike in spoken conversation, message boards do not usually have instantaneous response. User actively go to the website to check for response. Anyone can register to participate in an online message board. People can choose to participate in the virtual community, even if or when they choose not to contribute their through an idea. Unlike chat room, at least in practice, message board can accommodate an almost infinite number of users. Internet users urge to talk to and reach out to stronger online is unlike these in real life encounters where people are hesitate and often unwilling to step in to help strangers. Studies show that people are more likely to intervene when they are the only one in a situation with internet message board. Users at their computer are alone, which might contribute to their willingness to reach out. Another possible explanation in that people can withdraw from a situation such more easily online than off. They can simply click exit or log off, whereas they would have to find a physical exit and deal with the reciprocation of trying to leave a situation in real life. The lack of status that is present with the online entity also might encourage people because if one be choosing to keep it private, there is no associated label of gender, age, and ethnicity or lifestyle. Shortly after the rise of interest in message board and forum, people started to want to way of community with their communities in real time. The downside to message board was that people would have to wait until another user replied to their posting such with people all around the world in different time frame could take a while. The development of online chat room allowed people to talk to whoever was online at the same time they were. These way messages were sent and online user could immediate response. The original development by CompuServe CB hosted 40 channel in was user could talk to one another in real time. The, i- the idea of 40 different channels led to the idea of chat room that were specific to different topics. User could choose to join an already existent chat room they found interesting or start a new room. If they found nothing to their liking, real-time chatting was also brought into virtual game where people could play against and another and also talk to one another through text. Now chatroom can be found in all sort of topics so that people can talk and other who share similar interests. Chatroom are now provided by Internet Really Chat and other individual websites such as Yahoo, Amazon, AOL. Chatroom user community thus text-based messaging. Most chat room providers are similar and include one input box, a message window, and a participant list. The input box is where user can type their text-based message to be sent to the provider server. The server will be transmitted the message to the computer of anyone in that chat room so that it can be deployed in the message window. The message window allows the conversation to be tracked and usually places a timestamp. Once the message is posted, there is usually a list of the user who are currently in the room so that people can see who is in their virtual community. User can communicate as if they are speaking to one another in real life. The simulate reality attribute make it easy for user to form a virtual community because chat room allow user to get the known on another as if they were meeting in real life. The individual room feature also making it more likely that the people within a chat room share a similar interest and interest that allow them to bond with one another and be willing to form a friendship. Thank you.